So now moving on to the plasma proteins. So what is meant by plasma proteins? They are not the proteins what we take through the diet and the food. They are the proteins which is present in our plasma. Okay, so they are not the proteins of the food. Okay, the normal value of plasma proteins is nearly 7.3 gram deciliter. Okay, so that is the normal value of plasma proteins. When you do the electrophoresis, you will get numerous amounts of plasma proteins. But the most important only we are studying. So what is the contents of the plasma proteins? The most important content only we will study. So that includes serum albumin, serum globulin, and fibrinogen. Okay, so this serum albumin, its composition is 3.5 to 5 gram percentage, whereas serum globulin 2 to 3.5 gram percentage, and fibrinogen, it is 0.2 to 0.3 gram percentage. So this albumin, globulin is considered to be the serum albumin and serum globulin. But fibrinogen is not serum fibrinogen. It means that this albumin and globulin is present in the serum, whereas fibrinogen is not present in the serum. Okay, so now moving on to the functions of this albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. So albumin is the most important plasma protein which maintains the viscosity of the blood, and it also maintains the plasma oncotic pressure. Okay, so albumin plays a major role in maintaining the viscosity of the blood, and it also maintains the oncotic pressure of the blood, whereas globulin is responsible for the, what is the function of globulin? It acts as immunoglobulin. So it is taking part its role in the immunity. Okay, so immunoglobulins, the antibodies, they are from this serum globulins. So it plays its major role in the defense mechanism. Whereas fibrinogen, it has been converted into fibrin threads, and it is having its role in the clotting mechanism. Okay, so this fibrinogen is not present in the serum. So that is the reason when you do the centrifugation of the blood, if you do the centrifuge of the blood, the plasma will be at the bottom, whereas in the top you will get a thin layer of a straw colored fluid. So that is called as the serum, and this is plasma with the cells. So serum will never clot because it does not have the fibrinogen. That is why we are not mentioning serum fibrinogen. We are mentioning only serum albumin and serum globulin. Okay, so you may also get the question, what is the reason why serum is not getting clotted? Okay, clear? So this is how you have to integrate yourself and study. So serum will never clot because it is having only serum albumin and serum globulin, and it is not having fibrinogen. Okay, there. So this is about the plasma proteins. And one more thing you have to note it down in the plasma proteins is, we will always calculate albumin is to globulin ratio, that you call as Ag ratio. Okay, so this Ag ratio is usually 1.7:1 up to 2:1. So this is the range for this AG ratio. So this AG ratio is used for measuring or for judging whether the liver function is normal or not. Why? Because plasma proteins, they are the proteins which is synthesized from liver. Okay, so they are the proteins which is synthesized from the liver. So this AG ratio will help us to calculate the function of the liver. In case of liver diseases, this AG ratio gets reversed. Okay, instead of 2:1, it may be 1:2. So that is reversed AG ratio that indicates liver disease. So this AG ratio is one of the indication to look for the liver functions. Okay, so that is about the plasma proteins.